Good morning, class. Welcome back to my class. Welcome back to our class in online hybrid learning. And now we will try to understand more about the value chain concept. As we discussed last week, we're talking about the theory of value chain. Now, how to understand the value chain concept? We can use this case. I already sent to you this case. So the title of this case is The Cost Seafood Restaurants Low Cost Strategy. The less travel road to success. As we see what their concept is. This is the warung nasi, but the 5-star restaurant. And several times more the newspaper said that this is the Jakarta best restaurant. Low cost, low pricing, but it's a lifestyle steakhouse. Okay. We can use the tools analysis, and I give how to understand this case. Please follow my assignment question and analysis. This is my recommendation how to understand this. We have two stages. First, what should you do as a group? You are free to engage in any analysis of your choice and present the results. That's first. What the issue you get, what the concern you get in this case. And then second, you could be directed to analysis their market offering, their market concept, their market design. And also, the pricing strategy could be lead to design of the strategy. Why they choose to be the price leader, which is also mean that they aim for a cost leadership. So that is why their price is very low. And the last is, what are the consequences and how easy was competitor to copy in this business? Okay. After you get the data, in this case, please put in the value chain model. Value chain model, okay, of course we divide it by two. Primary activities and support activities. So, what the primary activities and support activities, as we discussed last week, is talking about the margin, how many margin you generate, how many margin you get. Okay. In this case, of course, we will try to focus on first SR issue. SR issue. Because they have a concept, the Cost Academy. So the point is this effect on these employees or not? And the second, please explain about accounting, about procurement and technology could be based on the extensive use of IT in their operations. And the third, explain the primary activities could focus on the role of IT in day-to-day operation. From order taking to delivery, how IT can help inbound and outbound logistics. Did you clear? And the last is the marketing and sales strategy will be similar to the marketing mix strategy. So this is the recommendation for me. For the assignment, please now it's your time to group discussion, 20 or 30 minutes, and after that I will invite you to join in the class and we can make a presentation, group presentation, and we will discuss and debate. So please prepare for that, and I would like to close this meeting and we will come again in the 30 minutes. Thank you very much, class.